If you want to start using Trading212, you should click on the link in the description to get a free share up to $100 when creating an account. To set a stop loss on Trading212, select an asset. In this case, I choose this USA Tech 100. And then as you can see here, the status of my asset. Now, click the open position. And here you'll be able to see the take profit, stop loss, and trailing stop. To set the stop loss, just click on the stop loss button. And that's it. That's how you set a stop loss on Trading212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.